Okay, I am Mactunu Brian from the Luo Online TV channel. May you introduce yourself to the press?
Thank you very much. My name is Don Phillips, the chairperson organizing committee for the 20th memorial prayer at Wandogo Water Trading Center.
Well, Mr. Donkar Philip, as you also increase your voice a little bit, may we know the challenges that you have encountered as the chairperson organizing committee of the 20th commemoration of Wang Lobo, victims of LRA atrocities in Acholi land?
Yeah, thank you very much. As per our program that takes place yearly, we have a lot of challenges, and those challenges have never been addressed. One of those challenges, we don't have seating facilities for the Christians. Not only seating facilities, even the shade like tents. We are lacking tents. Not only that, even the money itself for supporting other activities that should reinforce the prayer. Yeah.
Well, now, in your own view, okay.
Yes, as you have stated, do you also have like politicians like MPs, LC5 around who are always supporting you in this kind of function?
Yes, those MPs and honorable ministers sometimes they come. Like today, we have LC5, Bagisu local government, then the job, president with us, and his councillor. Honorable Minister Akori, Akori, in fact, we talked to her through the phone and informed us that he will be there. But right now, she has not reported. I believe he's on the way, maybe. Now, those politicians or the government or the NGOs, in the beginning, they used to give some assistance when the prayer started in 2003 by Acholi Religious Peace Initiative. But when time went on, they ceased off. And right now, the prayer is on by the local people in conjunction with the Batwa parish. Those MPs and then those political leaders, sometimes they give support. Those supports is always directed to the construction of the church. Our church now, the building is now on the window level. So that's what I can tell you.
Now, again, you have talked that truly piece of religious organization are the ones who started these prayers in 2003. A very good piece of information. Can you let the viewers know how has religion played key role in the peace restoration, especially the mentality of this community that has suffered from low resistance army?
Yes, actually, Religious Peace Initiative, after this massacre and then people cooked in pot, they thought this twice, at least to initiate prayer that would console the people, not console the building the confidence, and restoring hope to the local people here. Because when the incident took place, in fact, everybody here was so very scared. So with that initiation of the annual prayer, well, people are now, at least their belief or their faith now is being restored somehow, but there is still that fear.
And there's this program called actually Parliament, actually what is it actually? War debt claimant.
Yeah.
Yes, has these people benefited from that program? And if yes, to what extent has the people benefited from the actually war debt claimant?
I think
the
that
victim
I
especially?
I think that one is, well, I cannot talk much about that one because it is not within the prayer that we are always organizing.
Yes,
It's a
yes.
different government program, but among the Christians, I have learned that some got, but not many. But not many. So I'm not concentrating myself on the war that claimants.
Now, if you are to see the population who turn up for this program for today, so if you are to compare with the first, let me say the first mass that you the first day you started with this function, if you are to compare the population, how is there progress or there is decrease?
Yeah, well, when this march started in 2003, in fact, the population was not like today. These days, annually, there's increasing population in this prayer. So even this year, there are more people than last year.
Now, lastly, from the Luo Online, is there any contribution by cultural organization or cultural leaders towards the peace restoration that you have seen in this area?
Yeah, those people, sometime during the insurgency, those people were totally active. But right now, well, they are somehow not participating so much. It is because I can see that they don't have program or moving and meeting with the people. Yeah.
What could be the challenge? Facilitation or?
Yeah, that is the problem. That is what they are talking about. That they could not move from one place to another without means of transport and others.
Well, thank you very much. If any other person have question, for us it is on our side of the Luo Line is done.
Now, lastly, we thank you for your time and we thank you for your response. What last word can you say to the people outside? Maybe for the next coming year program.
Now, what I can give out as the chairperson organizing committee is that one, the problem that we are encountering, I feel that the NGOs or the political leaders, if they could come in to support this prayer, then it would be good, because with the population that we have, you can find that people are standing. We don't have enough shade. So making the program, making the running program also become very difficult. However, people are totally incited to come to this prayer in big numbers.
They're interested.
They're interested so much to this prayer. That is why it's increasing population yearly. Lastly, what I can say is that as the media, we would like you also to keep on coming to us so that you see exactly what is taking place in the scene, and when you go back, you can also give out your finding here. That one is also a part of reinforcement to the political leaders or even to government or any well-wishers to come and support this prayer. Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for sacrificing your time. Until maybe we meet at a certain point. If not, for now, have a nice time.
Thank you very much.